nayo ni gababwatani korwa sekiombe gia Kenya National Union of Teachers KNUT sorosagia rwagucha baba wesokia ritko rya rero na gokora obochori asokubachora abateneneri abaya anina sekerogo kyobogachi nabo igo ekerogo kyomokonyi bwo munyakerogo murobere korekana ase egeti yatendere imeyebunke yabo machoge burabu ni gababwatani abange besokia ase wekirana gokora omurobere oyo ase baba bakorwa koboria uchasi barabe bakorari wako bababui kwene kiabuna ngorera gusengo kwene kiabuna nkorwanira bale amagania base eskiombe kireo kubalika bali mimense ya Kenya anene igoro yo wakanwa kwemesara yabo muri cyo ito Josephat Amisi nekirana sayo na gutwariganira robot ya senchira yubwagare
Buna enchire ya moyo gutingia obokoreri bwe kiumbe kyabali mu Kenya National Union of Teachers anena soro sagero wagucha litukulia lero ni gaboro kiabo banyarako bakomerana eligokora obochori oboke bumugachi nomokonyi bw'umunyakerogo unagotumanya Kolo Mohammed yole umukonyi bw'umunyakerogo anene imense ya Kenya.
Come to represent our Secretary General, my brother Collins Henry Oyu, for this AGM. We have a by-election going on, and the positions that are vacant that they are vying for, the teachers are vying for are two. That is the position of the treasurer, where the previous treasurer retired, and the position of vice chairman, where the current vice chairman is seeking the position of treasurer also. So far, the exercise has been smooth. We started as early as 9 o'clock in the morning, and it's still on. Teachers are coming. The turnout is good and proper, and so far so good.
Gago kwa na amenekata seni Ndizi TV nigo Kolo Mohammed anyade kwa baga kwenekia bune kiombe manyalete kwa baga itaberana noroboti urwanyalete kwa baruko bwatu kwa igorechi semi ne kiombe kalikia nyalete kwa baga korosi wa amono muraibwense Dr. William Ruto.
We thank the presidential party, working party on education reforms. So far they have given us the report. It is in public domain. And we are happy with that report as a union, because a lot of issues that were previously handled singly by the Teacher Service Commission are now coming out to be shared between the Teacher Service Commission and the Ministry of Education.
Ekiombe kibogo niko kianyara kwa bege kulia chira ngange chikobe kubwatira na mone serikali na kwenekia buna maganyo ya balimu anyale kwa baga wikiraniwa.
And now starting talking with the government. We have a meeting. We had a meeting with the CS Education, our brother Machogu. We had a meeting with the Teacher Service Commission, and we are demanding 60% salary increase. To add on that, recently we met the president at the State House. As messengers for teachers, we have given the president our position, especially on the teachers' pay slip. And we are happy the government is now addressing that issue, and the president are already voluntarily given us some little increment, but we are saying we want 60% increment for our teachers.
Nengwa na nyara kwa bage gosegetwa boigo nababwatani banyara kwa bago ikirana wo asebate bire buna ebyombe bya balimu ndiko bikwenekia buna byanyara kwa biko bwatesia anene wizara eliye chisemi
abanta bange na bona arura balimu bachira bange which is very good and rende karotogo chora buna iga abarayi bali bago chorwa mwana mwakorera balimu gas because na arure bachire in good number and to join as a heads association Kisii County and Nyanza yani rendenga abalimu baito tibakorerwe gas ne union tigegende back aliya sikirutu kirikiye tutwakatwalire kale mune union.
Kuripoteri kataseni Ndizi TV kuromocho tendero yogotoka ime county ya Kisii eliterane Josephat Amesi.